Welcome to the Online Certified Pricing Manager B2B training, your gateway to mastering pricing strategies that drive profitability and growth. But is pricing that important? We believe it is, and Professor Raymond Corey even called it the moment of truth. Pricing provides the highest leverage profit opportunity for businesses. Raising the net price has a larger impact on profits than any other lever, with potential profit improvement in many B2B companies reaching 2 to 5 points of revenue. Getting pricing right not only enhances profits, but also fuels company growth. However, if pricing is such a great source of profits, why is it so challenging? First, the value of our products to customers is not always clear. Different buyer stakeholders receive and perceive value differently. Selling through distribution creates distance from our customers and reduces our influence over prices. We also often receive asymmetrical feedback from the market. Customers rarely say, "The price was too low." Pricing is a complex, multidimensional challenge that requires balancing competing demands locally and globally. And significant time is spent on internal negotiations. To tackle these challenges, this online certification is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in pricing management. EPP's purpose is to contribute to sustained value creation for our partners and the pricing and revenue growth management community. The CPM training is created to give early career price managers a strong foundation in pricing best practices, providing them with the confidence to improve pricing at their organizations. We will be following a 6-step pricing process framework. 1. Price strategy. This is where you define your success metrics and pricing principles. It involves setting clear objectives and guidelines for your pricing approach that align with your company or organization strategy and goals. 2. Price setting. In this step, you set list prices and target net or pocket prices. This means determining the best price points for your products or services to maximize profitability while remaining competitive. 3. Commercial policy. This involves optimizing customer and channel incentives. It's about creating discounts, rebates, and policies that encourage customers and distribution channels to prefer your products over competitors. 4. Infrastructure. Here, you ensure that your pricing processes are efficient and effective. This step focuses on having the right tools, systems, and workflows in place to support your pricing strategy. 5. Execution. The goal in this step is to minimize price leakage. This means ensuring that the prices you set are the prices you get, without unnecessary discounts or losses. 6. Price and value communication. Finally, you work on increasing customer price acceptance. This involves effectively communicating the value of your products or services to justify the prices you set. This framework will help you develop a systematic approach to pricing. This certification will also show you how to create your pricing excellence roadmap and will offer you some bonus sections to keep you updated on pricing latest trends. Ready to start?